There's a difference between furniture that simply fills a space and furniture that becomes part of your life. When you choose a hardwood table, you're not just buying something to eat at, you're investing in time, in craftsmanship, and in a piece that's meant to last. Hardwood is honest. Every grain, every knot, every mark tells a story. It was once alive, and it carries that character forward into your home. Unlike fast-built or laminated furniture, it can be refinished, restored, and renewed again and again. Scratches don't mean the end. They're simply part of the journey. There's also a warmth to real hardwood that mass-produced furniture can't replicate. A human touch, something real, something you feel the moment you sit down. And then there's size. Most store-bought tables are limited by factory standards. With custom hardwood, the table is built for your space, your home, your family, and your gatherings, not the other way around. A table can last nearly 1,000 years or longer. Think about that. Think about how many meals, how many conversations, how many memories have lived on its surface. That's what generational really means. A hardwood table isn't replaced, it's passed down. Finished properly, it's easy to clean, durable, and made to be used, not protected from life. Many people assume hardwood is out of reach, but when you consider how long it lasts, how often it can be refinished, and how it can even be adjusted as your life changes, it's often more affordable than people expect. Hardwood tables aren't about trends. They're about permanence. Built once, lived with for generations.